If the chute bolt assembly and your swinging patio door is damaged, it can be easily replaced. First, remove the panel with the Astragal and lay it on a padded surface. See our video on hinge pin panel removal for details on how to remove your door panel. Using the finger pull, slide the chute bolt assembly completely out of the Astragal. Now, simply reinstall your new chute bolt assembly into the Astragal and reinstall the door panel. For additional information and complete written instructions for tasks depicted in this video, visit www.jeld-wen.com, or if you have questions, call us at 1-800-JELD-WEN.